My name is Jesse Gay, and I'm the owner of Alpha Restoration. I've been in the water damage industry going on 11 years now. Alpha Restoration is 5 years. We just did our 5 year anniversary here in April. Um, I basically oversee everything. I'm trying to get out of the field more now, and that's how things are going. We've grown tremendously in those 5 years, and right now we are at uh, 4 full-time employees, not including myself. We're a local restoration company helping with you with your water damage needs, including mold. We handle the mitigation portion, which is the cleanup. The goal there is to get your home clean, dry, and healthy, and then we come in with the reconstruction portion and put you back together to make it look like nothing ever happened. So some of the challenges as a restoration owner is knowing who to trust, who to work with when it comes to the digital marketing side. We get bombarded all the time with emails, cold calls about, hey, leads here, leads here. So the hard part is finding somebody that you're going to be able to have a good relationship with, somebody that you're going to be able to trust, and somebody that you feel is going to give you results. So before I met Inbound, I wanted somebody that was gonna kind of guide me and help me, not just do the work and kind of shut me out. Somebody that was gonna also teach me and kind of give me an understanding of what's going on behind the scenes. Not somebody that's just collecting my money, but somebody that's actually kind of explaining this portion of the business to me as well. One thing that really stands out to me is the level of care that you get. These are genuine guys that really care about what they do. I don't feel like I don't feel like it's a business relationship in a sense. I feel like Hike and Vlad are friends. I could text them, call them, ask them about things, whether it be, after hours on the weekend. We went through a suspension with our Google profile while I was working with them. And thank goodness that I was working with these guys, because they really held my hand and guided me through this. And I believe had a strong part in us getting our Google page back. It just goes back to working with good people, uh, hungry people, driven people. That's one thing I've not learned as being an entrepreneur is you want to work with like-minded people, and I feel like with Inbound, we definitely have that connection. They're putting us in front of customers. They're getting us out of the office and into people's homes, and they're following up with us just like they said they would. So far, they've done everything they said they were going to do, and we're just working to build a winner here, and I feel like it's going to happen. It's just a matter of when. I ain't going to refer you guys to any other water restoration companies, because I don't want you guys helping the competition, because then it's gonna be unfair. But for everyone else in every other industry, you guys are the best. Especially somebody that has no knowledge of digital marketing, PPC, any of that stuff. This is a great way for you to get your feet wet with these guys, and they really show you the ropes and give you a breakdown and understanding of what it takes to be successful with digital marketing.